Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Shopify admin for online business strategy, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Shopify. Once the Shopify homepage loads, locate the login button on the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to a new page for user authentication. Here, enter the email address associated with your Shopify account. After entering your email, click on the Next button. On the following page, input your password in the designated field. Once you've confirmed your password, click the Login button. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you will need to enter the verification code sent to your device. After inputting the code, click Verify to continue. It may take a moment, but you will be redirected to the Shopify admin dashboard. Once the dashboard loads, familiarize yourself with the layout. On the left side, you'll see various navigation options for managing your online business. From here, you can access products, orders, and settings. Be sure to take a moment to explore your dashboard features. This is where you can implement strategies for managing your online store effectively. If you encounter any issues logging in, double-check your email and password for accuracy. Consider resetting your password if you cannot remember it. You can use the Forgot Password link for assistance if needed. With successful login, you're now ready to strategize and manage your online business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.